Hey, this is Tuesday, July 12th, 2016, 8:43 in the morning, Tuesday morning. I'm here at the river crossing, the San Pedro River crossing on the Palominas Highway 92 bridge that crosses the San Pedro River, which runs north from Mexico into the United States. Just checking the water level under the bridge, and there's absolutely no water at all. It's completely, there's the riverbed, and these are the cottonwood trees. There's no water at all flowing under the bridge or in the river. And here's looking towards to the west, the Huachuca Mountains there to our west. The cottonwood trees that run alongside the riverbed. There's looking to the east towards the Mule Mountains and Bisbee. I'm on the south side of the Highway 92 here at the bridge crossing, and again there hasn't been any monsoon activity, so the water flow from the monsoon rains is absolutely zero. And there's a lot of morning traffic crossing the bridge. And that's it for today, Tuesday, July 12th, 2016. We'll try again after we get some more rainfall.